Andre Robertson was sitting on his great-grandmother's porch in Northeast D.C. when he was gunned down. We just learned this afternoon that prosecutors are working on a plea deal for the 13-year-old and the 15-year-old accused of killing him.
Here, Bruce LaShan got extraordinary access to a juvenile courtroom today for that hearing and is sharing what he learned tonight.
The judge here turned down the defense attorney's request to kick reporters out of the juvenile courtroom. So we got to hear prosecutors say they are working right now on a plea deal for the two children arrested in the murder of 15-year-old Andre Robertson. We do not know what kind of bargain juvenile prosecutors might offer the two. The D.C. Attorney General will have to sign off on the deal, and lawyers for the 13-year-old and the 15-year-old will have to accept it.
I'm angry as hell that another coward then took my grandson.
Police say three killers stepped out of a stolen gold sedan on October 13th and shot Andre repeatedly as he sat on his great-grandmother's porch. Medics flew him to the hospital, but doctors could not save him.
Just came through here and murdered my little grandson for no reason. My little grandson ain't nothing but this tall.
The killers opened fire as a school bus was letting other kids out across the street.
It's not normal for juveniles to be killed, and that's what's happening in Washington, D.C. right now.
The judge ordered reporters not to identify the 13 and 15-year-olds. They are facing separate serious charges too, but the details remain sealed. The teens listened calmly as their lawyers asked the judge to release them. One citing what he said was a COVID outbreak at the detention center. They say the children and their relatives face death threats.
What goes around comes around. That's the only message I got for them.
The judge said another judicial officer has already found substantial probability that the two were responsible for Andre's murder. He ordered them to remain locked up pending trial or this plea deal. At D.C. Superior Court, Bruce LaShan, WUSA 9.